Sarap dito magkape. Dami ng yate ko dito. Hindi mabilang yung yate ko. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pili lang kayo saan dyan ang yate nyo. Oh, may isda pang tumatalon, no? Ganda, oh, may mga fish pang tumatalon. Kape-kape mo na. Pumunta tayo dito. Ay, sarap dito matambay. Sarap ng view. Walking. Hindi ko alam sa malapit lang ba ito sa bahay ng kliyente ko. Maganda pala dito magtambay. Kala ko port lang yun dito. Ano? Lakad tayo doon sa may dulok. Ano doon? Got a new friend here. How are you? Hi birdie. How are you? Oh, hi kitty. Hello kitty kitty. How are you kitty kitty? How are you? May random na cat lang naglapit sa akin dito. There's a random cat just came here. What a nice color. It's the first time I saw a color like this. Are you color gray or brown or black? What are you? What a big cat. Oh, she wanted to play. Are you a he or she? I'm here at the Bucklands Beach Yacht Club. I don't know how to pronounce it properly. Yacht or something. Yacht, but it's already closed. So we'll just have to check at the other side. Oh, that's the port. Now I know where's the port. Parang roro nila yun dito. It's like a roro. In here it's not allowed to do swimming, no fishing, no cycling or skateboarding, or any personal watercraft. The marina is prohibited. So all you have to do here is just look around. You see that watercraft out there? We're here already at the public boat ramp. If you have your own boat, you can bring your own boat and put in here. Dito na ako sa may port area. Yan yung roro nila. I don't know what they call that one. Is it a barge or something? You can put your car, and I don't know where's the route of this. Maybe inter-islands. Move forward and check what's out there. Oh my god, it's moving. It's scary. Woohoo! It's shaking. This is the speedboat in here. First time to get up close with a speedboat. It has a one engine, single engine speedboat. The other side is for the fast crab, and this one is the Roro vessel, or for the barge. That's the Rangitoto Island out there. Alright, let's go back now. Let's go home. Look at those beautiful houses up there. They are, they have the overlooking area of the port. You see, this is their view.